Welcome to the Kryptolova Show with your host, Natalia Sokolova.
Hi, this is Natalia Sokolova, and welcome to Kryptolova Show. Today is January 26th. We just heard back from the Fed after they finished their Federal Open Market Committee that lasted for last 2 days, and Powell just announced that for now they're leaving interest rate unchanged. As you probably know, both crypto market and stock market rallied quite a bit starting from this morning. But if the news would have been different, then even if the interest rate were announced to be increased even at 1%, the market could have crashed pretty hard, 4 or 5%. So it's really good that we see that interest rate remain unchanged. Well, with inflation of 2% and a very strong labor market, Federal Reserve Committee decided that for now it's leave to give them a change, but there will be increased later down the road. Well, markets went up right after the announcement that the interest rate will be held in zero. But in the first part of the Q&A with Powell, he said that it will be faster and perhaps sooner. And Wall Street did not like that comment at all. Powell did not comment on any specifics on the interest rate, how much it will be increased, what the timing for it is. He also mentioned that there is a lot of time in between next March meeting on 15th and 16th, and economy is doing really great and strong, and there's a lot of economic conditions that might update and affect the decision that will be held in March meeting. Federal Reserve also announced that they will taper asset purchases in February and it will end in March. The next Federal Committee meeting is scheduled for March 15, 16. So next very important day to look after for the market trends would be March 16th. So right now, like as I have mentioned in my last video, I really believe that crypto window is coming to the end. I mean, we can see that Bitcoin has rallied in the last few days. It's probably or might, I'm not a prediction, but it probably will go back to, lower levels between, 30 to 34 before it's really going to go up, or it might just continue going up. I would not know, but it's, my strategy is to, put some money in, and if it goes down, put a little bit more money into that. There's also other good cryptos to look into, which would be, Luna, which is Terra, Tezos, Cardano, Solana, and of course, besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are more safe environmental investment strategy. Of course, there's tons of altcoins that I believe that will shoot up really significantly after that. Bitcoin will be would go upwards. And do your own research. What I also recommend is finding your own niche in alternative coins. I personally like gaming industry, so I look at the video games and the gaming companies and the metaverse gaming that come up with their projects. You always want to research the team, their prior exits before putting any allocation. And the best way if you find your own coins before they start being talked about. So this way you can get in really early, put a little bit of money, and to get a much more significant upside. So this is a short update for today. I hope you found it useful. Stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. And anything else you want me to cover, please also let me know. I also posting some of the videos on the YouTube. Just look for Kryptolova. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.
Welcome to the Kryptolova Show with your host, Natalia Sokolova.